Hi everyone, welcome back to another Excel video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to calculate percentage difference with Excel formula. To start, open up your Excel sheet where you want to calculate the percentage difference. As you can see on the screen, this is a section we want to calculate the difference for. You have to have the first field and the second field. Now the formula to calculate the percentage difference in Excel is the difference between the two values divided by the first value and multiplied by 100. So now let's start. To calculate the percentage difference, you click on an empty cell, type in equal to ABS, that is absolute value, open brackets, the second formula, that is J3 minus H3, close your brackets, slash to stand for division, the first value, that's 5.9, or you write H3, then asterisk to show multiplication or to stand for multiplication 100. When you're done with this, you click the enter key button on your keypad. Now you can see that the results have been added to the screen. So this is the percentage difference for this value. So that's it guys, easy and quick. Trust this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. See you in the next video. Bye.